This is a demonstration on how to provision a virtual server, also known as a VSI. To create a public VSI, log on to cloud.ibm.com and click on Catalog. From there, you will find and click on the Virtual Server button. Here you can see the 4 types of virtual servers. Select the public virtual server box and click Continue. Now let's check out our options. In this screen, I can change the VSI type, select my billing type, add my host name and domain. With placement groups for IBM virtual servers, you can use public instances to build for high availability within a data center or provide an additional level of fault tolerance with a larger deployment. You can only add VSIs to placement groups at the time of provisioning. Now let's look at the servers. You can see the public VSI families, which consist of balanced local storage, balanced compute, and memory. The available operating systems are shown with available versions. You also have the option to add database software. You can add 4 additional disks, with 2 terabytes being the max size per disk. Select your desired uplink port speed up to 1 gigabyte per second. You can see the price in the right pane. To create this virtual instance, you would check the box to accept the third-party service agreements and then click Create. This concludes our demonstration on creating a VSI.